Who wants to go?
Dad?
Yeah, I think it's to the right part of that CD.
Where'd my shots hit?
Your dad doesn't
It's
want to
hard to
hurt
tell.
the bees.
If I could brace this up, I'd get a steadier look.
I think Eric just volunteered. Eric volunteered.
Eric,
Let me just walk,
it doesn't really show you though. Okay, CD will fuck up though.
I hit right on the bottom side of that CD. So, is that where you're
A little bit higher.
A little bit to the right.
Let him have it actually.
You don't see that every day.
Daryl, you shot. Come on, you did that eye.
That is true.
He's good with the shotgun.
They call
He
you
missed
no
a
miss
shit ton in Africa.
They call you no mistake. That's what I heard.
Oh, I thought it was no dick Daryl.
Oh, wow. Hey, that's a family issue.
Wow, yeah. You know, that's hereditary too.
I told you that in confidence. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go, Yerrick.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Highness.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. Apparently not.
I think we need another
The angle of the dishwasher.
We need a
I mean-
barrel.
I don't know what's that.
Have you got the target well marked?
I think it's to the right side of the CD. Like from the back, it's centered in the middle of that drum at the bottom of it. So, I
We
mean,
can go look at where we hit too.
Can I shoot one more?
yeah. Yeah, you can hit one if you want.
To the right of the
Shoot
CD.
till it blows.
Like the right side of the CD.
Yeah, it's Yerrick, man.
Justin Bieber's face. That's what's up.
Well,
You didn't want it bad enough.
apparently not. Can you tell with the binoculars? No. You can't really tell where you hit.
You gotta brace up with something that's too jiggly from this far.
These things are remarkable, by the way.
There's another 18 rounds or 16 rounds.
Is that thing like electronic or something?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if it's penetrating.
You guys go look. I'm gonna sit back there.
Well, if the sides of this thing is way thinner than the water heater.
Can it ignite on its own?
No.
Famous last word. Ah, you're good. It hasn't until today.
That
When
has
security
never happened.
officers were called out to V's ranch.
That sort of looks like they're hitting way to the right of center.
Yeah, it still blows up. It still blows up. If something blows up, I guess
Until it's already blown up.
I guess it's gonna sit out there, guys.
Some unfortunate deer is going to be the one to nudge it and
Yeah, it's so windy too.
The wind shouldn't be too bad at this point.
Have you ever heard of people get counterized
There's a button on the side.
and putting corn all around it and a bunch of stakes?
It makes them come under.
And they shoot it like 300 yards away. And then, I've never seen it.
Yeah, how come we're not using it?
Yeah, but
I don't know.
looks like the.
I didn't even thought it had that.
Hot water heater.
That one's actually older than
Hey.
Woo! Oh, you can't miss like that. Everybody wants them dead so bad. We will never go down.
That's why he's number one. It's the kind of poster you would find in a Walmart. Does anything?
Well, we hit it twice.
Zach, did I ever tell you about the first time I shot it?
Tannerite?
I shot at
Yeah, we
least
hit
6 feet
Well, hit the
straight over
hit
a
the jug.
tire.
It didn't really go. It didn't go through too well.
I went.
I think the shrapnel.
I did the
We hit the CD twice and one
And
right
once
by
it was
it.
on its side, like, you know, that tannerite's only this deep. Once that thing's on its side, and then you just got to target about that deep. We got it up right around.
Go for it. Shoot. Alright, now when you look through the scope, right at the bottom of the CD, where you want to hit.
Here's some more bullets.
Yeah, center bottom. We hit the water heater, you know, that door has 2 or 3 layers.
I hope you like the light.
I guess maybe it slowed it down. We hit, like I said, we hit the tannerite twice. If we hit the jug,
Eric hit it twice, or you and Eric hit it twice?
whoever hit it first probably got it. I mean, there was lead on the deal. So it must have slowed down a lot. I mean, we were aiming for that CD, and the CD had 2 marks on it.
Well, maybe Eric 10mm might be involved. Well, no, the 223 is faster.
No, 223 would be good.
Oh, you think?
Oh,
I mean, it might work.
Strength shooting?
It's a wider board.
He's getting ready. It's still on thing.
Well, let us know.
Hopefully he'll warn us.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
I don't know.
in theory.
Back up. You want some headphones, Bubba? It's gonna be loud.
Oh, you're my way, Jimmy.
You're going for the center of the CD?
My best shot.
You went for the center of the CD?
Hey, Darryl!
We want to go.
Fucking get
we
your ass
wanted
up
to
here.
go
He told me
on the bottom of the
On
CD.
the bottom of the CD?
I'd say Eric will hit it with his revolver.
Before we hit it with the rifle, right?
I'm still pulling for Eric.
Hey, Eric.
Just like 3 steps to the draw.
Hey, bro, break out the mech tag.
I'll shoot it down on that lid.
You're doubling the chance. It shoots a 90 pound or a 90 grain ball.
All in
90.
Oh, that's.
Alright.
Oh,
You ready?
let's go, son of a bitch.
I don't know.
Oh, shit!
Holy shit!
Damn! Where did this thing land?
Y'all ready for 3 pounds? There it is! All of a sudden we were
Heads up.
Alright, let's
Try to get Zach and his friends.
Yeah.
I got